Yep, severe thunderstorm, you guys. Look out here.
Oh, all the things are falling off the trees, guys.
Yes. Oh my gosh, look at it. Saw some high winds.
How you doing now? Go ahead, Kenny.
Yep, we're just having a severe thunderstorm.
Severe thunderstorm.
Yep, we're just having a severe thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm. Yep. Look at hell, you guys. My goodness. Very scary, guys. My goodness.
Okay. Kenny, we're gonna watch Guardians of the Galaxy. Want to lay down right here on the floor?
I don't know. See that's like dangerous storm out here. Wow. I might hang out for you a bit, but since this storm is coming, just like I'm scared of storms, mommy.
You're not scared.
We're just inside, right?
Yeah, we're inside. And you're just fascinated with it. You're not scared of it, okay?
Yeah, mommy. I'm just fascinated. I can hang out with you if there's a storm.
Storms are interesting.
I know. Yeah, we might. I think we might have a power outage for sure, but we're just safe here, right? I don't know.
Yeah, we're safe. We're good. We're good.